Hello everyone, in this video I am going to explain how to develop a cue card. Now the question is, now the cue card is describe an open air or street market which you enjoyed visiting. Okay, now you have to explain open air or street market which you enjoyed. Here it is an experience, they are asking you your experience. Okay, so in the introduction for starting the cue card, whatever you know about the street market, either the definition, or you can give here definition, or I can say just give one or two lines, sentences about street market, okay. Now first part is complete. Now the second part is here, which you enjoyed visiting. For this is, they are asking you the experience, your experience. Okay, you don't have to repeat this word in the starting, only enjoyed. So for starting this cue card, first of all give one or two sentences about this open air or street market. After that you should say, I would like to share my experience about a market, okay. First two portions are complete. Now the important questions are these: where the market is. Now for this you have to give one keyword here, is location of the market. Location of the market is, like, if you want to say, here I am explaining you, but here I am explaining you the main keywords, like they are asking you the location and what they are selling it. For location you don't have to write the location, you have to write the location of the market only. Like I am explaining the Connaught Place market, CP market, so I will be writing here in short CP tribal market. Okay, next is what the market sells. Now in short I will be writing here handicrafts. Okay, I will explore these words while speaking. Okay, how big the market is. Now how big the market is, of course market is big, like it may be within the 500 square yards, or it may be within it may be like 1 kilometer long, or like I'm just writing here 1 kilometer long. Okay, explain why you enjoyed this market. Okay, now you have to explain your own experience, why you enjoyed, and some features about the market that basically you enjoyed. Now you have to explain your experience, as well as your some features of market, which you enjoyed, which you enjoyed. And in the end what would you say? I look forward to visit this market again and again. Okay, in this way you can elaborate these words for cue card only. Like first, as I told you, describe an open air market or street market. First you have to give one or two sentences about this topic and start this, and after this you should say, I would like to talk about, or I would like to share my experience about this market. Then your location of the market, then what it sells, and how big the market is. Market consists of like 500 vendors and all, you can say, and why, explain why you enjoyed this market. So now you have to elaborate how now let's see how we can elaborate this cue card in the longer essay type. Okay, Now the first question, first part of the cue card was describe an open air or street market which you enjoyed. Now let's start it. The concept of air market is not a new one in India. Since ages we are following this tradition. Still it is prevalent in India. Okay. Now we have answered the first part of the question. Now what about this? You enjoyed. Okay. Let's go to the next part. Here I would like to share my personal experience in a street market. Okay, street market. Now second part is here where the market is. Now we have to write for the location. Location of the market. Continuing from this street market, not a full stop, which is located in the heart of Connaught Place here in Delhi, New Delhi. This is also known as tribal market. Okay, for location of the market, we have written this line, these lines. Okay, for the next part. Now the next question is what the market sells. So you can write so many things, but right from the starting I am explaining it that it sells traditional handcrafts. Okay, so I will write it is well known place for shopaholics passion because it offers wide variety of handicrafts from all over India. Okay, moreover, of course I am adding my points. Moreover, you have to use connectors. Moreover, it offers traditional women dresses as well as ladies handcrafted shoes. Okay, apart from that, I love to visit this shopping paradise. Instead of writing market again and again, I have written this word shopping paradise due to a reason, or we can write only because. Due to a reason or because, we can write either this or this. There is a lip smacking food corner offering momos, Chinese, Indian snacks and so on. So for this answer, what the market sells, how we have elaborated this, only this point, market sells in this way only. Okay, like this. Let's go to the next question. Now next question is how big the market is. So our answer is this place starts from one corner to another and in Connaught Place approximately 1.5 kilometers in total. 1.5 kilometers in total. So whenever the writer is asking, the writer or examiner is asking how big or or any distance, you can write it in this way. Of course, they have asked the question how big the market is. So I am trying to explain this market stretches from one end to another end of the CP Connaught Place, approximately 1.5 kilometers in total. Okay, one has to have a passion for shopping while on foot only. Okay, next question is explain why you enjoyed. Now you have to explain your own experience as well as the some more features which you enjoyed during this visit. However, I enjoyed this visit because it involved lots of bargaining with vendors in a funny way. The hustle bustle made the market lively and happening. The walk on the walking plaza was so enjoyable. So last part of the cue card is very important. You can elaborate it in any kind of sense, like you, whatever you want to say about your experience, give the features with the help of features, markets feature, and you give your own experience. Okay, the last, in fact one last part is left. Let's look at this. Okay, last part is last line, I look forward to visit this market again and again. I look forward to visit this market again and again. In fact, in many cue cards, you will be using these kinds of lines. I look forward to experience this, some kind of experience or anything in the cue card. You can use this line. I look forward to. After that, you have to use the cue cards word. Okay, in this way we have completed how to develop your cue card. Thank you so much.